My name is not there.
बहुत एंजॉय ले रही हैं, अच्छी बात नहीं है ये, कहाँ है आपके वाली से मतलब मस्जिद में शुरू हो गया जाने मस्जिद में, कहाँ है आपकी बात है मतलब उनको दो फोन करा।
Sakiban, your voice is not audible.
Okay, sorry. I think I was on mute. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, awesome. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. We'll get started. Sorry, I was on mute. To start off, we seem to have almost everyone in the class. That's what I was doing here. We have almost everyone, so I don't think we're missing anyone in this list. So welcome everyone.
Uncle Mujtaba is not there.
Correct, Mujtaba is not there. So I think except Mujtaba, we have everyone.
And even Sadia.
Oh, Sadia is not there? What is she doing, Adnan?
I don't know.
What did you do to Sadia that she's not attending the class?
I didn't do anything.
Cool. Let's get started. We'll start with this
She's
exercise.
back.
So first,
She's there.
she's joined, Adnan?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Sadia. To start off, we'll start with this exercise. Let me put everyone on mute. Hazik, you can unmute yourself. How would you read these sentences? So we have Uridu, we have Sayara, which is car, we have Arika, which is sofa, we have Thallaja, which is refrigerator. How would you read these sentences and what would they mean? Question to Hazik.
Uridu sitara.
Uridu sitaratan, correct. And what's the meaning of this?
I want a bed.
Sitara is curtain. Sarir is bed.
Okay.
I want a
Then
curtain.
I want a curtain.
Correct. And the next one, how would you read the second?
Uridu arikatan.
Very nice. And what's the meaning?
I want the sofa.
I want a sofa. Very nice. Now next question to Adnan. How would you read this sentence with the first word? With bait. How would you read this sentence?
هل تسكن في بيتي.
Baitin. Correct. And what's the meaning of this, Adnan?
What?
What's the meaning of this sentence? Hal taskunu fi baitin.
هل تسكن في بيت is هل تسكن في بيت is
Do you live in a house?
in a house.
What's this with the second word? How would you read the sentence with the second word?
هل تسكن في شقة.
Very nice. What's the meaning?
Do you live in an apartment?
Do you live in an apartment? Correct, Adnan. Very nice. Now, next question to Zahan. How would you read this sentence? The first with the first word here and the first word here.
أسكن في بيت.
Naam askunu fi baitin. What's the meaning?
نعم أسكن في بيت. Do you live in a house?
Again, repeat.
نعم أسكن في بيت.
Yes, and what's the meaning?
Do you live in a house?
No. Hal means do you. What is naam?
It is Naam. Naam means I live in a house.
Naam means yes.
Yes, I live in a house.
What's the meaning of naam, Zahan?
Yes.
What's the meaning of la? What's the meaning of la? La means no.
No.
Okay. What's the meaning of la askunu fi shaqqatin?
No, I live in a apartment.
No, I live in an apartment. Correct. Now, next question to Hifza. How would you read this sentence with the first word here?
غرفة في شقة ثلاث غرفة.
في الشقة ثلاث غرف. What's the meaning of this? في الشقة ثلاث غرف. Hifza?
Yes.
What's the meaning of this sentence? What is fi?
In.
Very good. في الشقة this would be in the apartment. Shaqqa is apartment. In the apartment. What is thalathu? What is thalatha? Thalathu is 3. Arba'u is 4. Khamsu is 5. Okay, so thalathu is 3. What is ghurafin?
غرف bedroom. Floor.
No, that is daur. Daur is floor.
Room.
Room, correct. What is thalathu ghurafin?
3 rooms.
3 rooms, correct. Why do we have thalathu and not thalathatu?
Plural.
No.
Masculine.
So, ghurfa is a room. It is feminine. Ghurfa is a room. Ghuraf is rooms. So when we say plural between numbers 3 to 10, if we have ghurfa, which is feminine, we will use the masculine number. So we will say khamsu ghurafin, thalathu ghurafin. We will not say thalathatu. We will not say khamsatu. We will say khamsu, thalathu. Okay, that's because ghuraf is feminine. So the number which comes with the feminine has to be masculine. That is why it is thalathu and not thalathatu. The number we saw earlier was thalathatu, which will be used with something masculine. Your ghuraf is feminine. So,
Raghib Chacha,
yes, Zahan.
do we have a Kahoot today?
What do you think, Zahan?
Yes.
No. We answered this question in yesterday's class. No Kahoot today. Next week, inshallah, will be Eid. Do you all want class next week? Next weekend? Zahan, do you want a class next weekend
I
during
don't
Eid?
think so. I will be able to join.
Correct. So next weekend, inshallah, we will not have a class. So next Saturday, Sunday will be a holiday, and let's all celebrate and enjoy Eid, inshallah. And after that, the week after that is when we will reconnect. And in that week, inshallah, we will try to do a Kahoot quiz. No Kahoot quiz today. Okay. Today's class will be preparation to the Kahoot quiz. Today's class is a lot of practice so that you can see your mistakes, you can do practice, and you can be prepared for the Kahoot quiz, inshallah. So the Kahoot quiz will be week after next. Does that answer your question, Zahan? Awesome. Hifza. في الشقة أربع غرف. What's the meaning of this sentence?
There are 3 floors in an apartment.
3 rooms.
Oh, sorry, 3 rooms in the apartment.
Correct. So in the apartment, so in Arabic you can switch the pattern. Okay, so you can move a word forward, you can move a word backward, and the u, the a, the e on the letter gives you its meaning. So this, the way it is written here, it would mean fi shaqqati arba'u ghurafin. That would mean in the apartment are 4 rooms. If I say arba'u ghurafin fi shaqqati, it will also be correct. So that would be 4 rooms are there in the apartment. Okay, so you can switch. You can switch this to later. You can switch this forward. That's possible.
Okay.
Now, next question to Afifa. Afifa, ये sentence आप कैसे पढ़ोगे? आप unmute करना. उरीदू, शक्कतन और ये word. तो ये कैसे पढ़ोगे? शक्कतन के साथ. Number 5. फुज़ेल, अफीफा, अनम्यूट कर सकते हो? सॉरी, मैंने आपको म्यूट कर दिया था गलती से. यस, अभी आप अनम्यूट पे हो. आप ये वाला सेंटेंस पढ़ सकते हो. उरीदू
शक्कतन मिन फज़लिका.
उरीदू शक्कतन मिन फज़लिका. वेरी गुड. इसका मीनिंग क्या है अफीफा?
I want apartment.
मिन फज़लिका मतलब प्लीज. प्लीज, ठीक है. तो आई वॉन्ट एन अपार्टमेंट प्लीज, या मुझे चाहिए या मैं चाहती हूँ एक अपार्टमेंट प्लीज. वो है इसका मीनिंग. वेरी गुड अफीफा, वेरी वेल डन. नेक्स्ट फुज़ैल. उरीदू सेकंड वर्ड के साथ कैसे पढ़ोगे? मैं थोड़ा जूम इन करता हूँ. यस, ये वाले वर्ड के साथ कैसे पढ़ोगे फुज़ैल?
उरीदू सितारतन मिन फज़लिका.
वेरी गुड. उरीदू सितारतन मिन फज़लिका. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? उरीदू मतलब
I want.
आई वॉन्ट. वेरी गुड. उरीदू मतलब मुझे चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट. सितारतन ये क्या है? मैं तुम्हें एक पिक्चर दिखाता हूँ. सितारतन, ये क्या है? पर्दा, ठीक है। सितारतन मतलब कर्टन। उरीदू सितारतन मतलब आई वॉन्ट अ कर्टन, मुझे चाहिए पर्दे। मिन फदलिका, इसका मीनिंग क्या है?
Please.
प्लीज, मुझे चाहिए पर्दे प्लीज। वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस फजैल। नाउ नेक्स्ट, Muniba, question to you. How would you read this sentence with the first word?
Shafatan.
Ashaqqatu.
Shafatu. Fi Dawri.
Very good. Fid Dawri. Al-awwal.
Al-Awwal.
Okay, this is ashaqqatu. It is ashaqqatu because of the al. When we have al, we will not have shaqqatu. We will only have ashaqqatu. Ashaqqatu fid dawril awwal. What's the meaning of this sentence, Muniba?
Ashafatu fi Dawri al-Awwal. Please could I have a part? No. Please could I have a Dawri Dawri.
I want is uridu. There's no uridu here. What is ashaqqatu?
Ashafatu.
What is shaqqa? Shaqqa is apartment. Ashaqqatu, the al would make it the. So ashaqqatu would be the apartment. Okay, that is ashaqqatu. What is fi, Muniba?
Please. No, I want.
That is uridu. What we saw here, uridu is I want. Min fadlika is please. Okay, there's a min. There's the same min. Ana minal Hind is what we have seen. Ana min Turkey. Ahmadu, that would be fi. Okay, so Ahmadu fil hamami, that would be fi. What is min? Ana min Turkey. Fi means in. Okay, it's what I think Hifza just answered. Fi is in. Ashaqqatu, fi, and there's a hidden is. Okay, so there's a hidden is. The apartment is in. What is ad-dawr? Again, Muniba. Ad-dawr is floor. It is ad-dawr, so it is the floor. And al-awwal is first. And notice, if you remember, the adjective in Arabic comes after the noun. For example, in English we would say beautiful car. We would say first floor. In Arabic it is the opposite. So in Arabic we would say car beautiful. We would say the floor the first. Okay, so the adjective always comes after the noun. So ashaqqatu fi dawril awwal means the apartment is in the first floor. Read the second sentence, Muniba, with athani. How do you read the second sentence?
Shaqatu fi lashani.
Fi dawri.
Fi dawni shani.
Athani. Athani. This means second. And what's the meaning of this sentence? Ashaqqatu fi dawri thani. What's the meaning of the sentence?
Second floor.
Yes, and what's the first meaning of the first part of the sentence? Ashaqqatu fi?
I want the second floor.
No. Ashaqqatu means the apartment. There's no uridu. Uridu means I want.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of ashaqqatu fi?
Ashaqatu fi apartment.
Yes.
Apartment is in the second floor.
Very good. Ashaqatu fi dawri thani means the apartment is on the second floor. If we say the third sentence, Ashaqatu fi, the apartment is in ad-dawr means the floor. At-thalith means the third floor. Okay, very nice, Maniba. Next question to Hania Ilaf. How would you read this sentence with the first word? Hania Ilaf, can you hear me? You seem to be on mute. Or Nimra and Sidra, if your connection is good, how would you read this sentence, sentence number 7, with the first word? Satya, how would you read this sentence? Satya? Adnan, is Sadia with you? I can't seem to hear her.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, yes, Sadia. How would you read this sentence with the first word?
Kam ghurfatan fi shaqqa.
Fishakkati. Very good. What's the meaning?
Kam ghurfatan fi shaqqa.
What is come?
Come is
Come is how many?
how many?
Now, tell me what's the meaning of the sentence? Kam ghurfatan fishakkati. What would this mean?
How many?
What is ghurfa?
Ghurfa is
What is ghurfatu naumin? Ghurfatu julusin?
Bhaiya, Gurfa means room.
Ghurfa means room. Let's suggest
how many rooms in the hotel?
how many rooms are in the apartment? Shaqqa is
Are in the
apartment.
apartment.
Funduk is hotel. Shaqqa is apartment.
Apartment.
So how many rooms in the
In the
apartment?
apartment.
Okay, there's a hidden are there. So how many rooms are there in the
In the
apartment?
apartment.
Try the second one.
Kam sitara fi shaqqa.
This is not sitara. Sitara is coming in between a sentence, so you can't say sitara.
Sitaratan fi shaqqa.
Very good. What's the meaning?
How many curtains are there in the apartment?
Very good. Why is it ghurfatan, sitaratan, hammaman? Why is it not ghurfatun?
It's not ghurfatun because it's plural. It's not singular.
No. This is singular. Ghurfatan is singular. Ghurafun or ghurafan is plural. This is singular. Because of come. Okay, after come, after how many, the rule in Arabic is you would have the singular form. You will have ghurfatan, sitaratan. Sitaratan is singular. It is curtain. Sitarat is plural. So after come, you will always have singular and it will come with a fatha. That's the rule. So it will become ghurfatan, come sitaratan, come hammaman, come sajadatan, come talajatan. That's the rule of come. So two rules we have seen is after come, we will have singular and it will come with fatha. तो कम के बाद कम मतलब कितने और हाउ मेनी कम के बाद हमेशा जो वर्ड आएगा ठीक है कितने रूम कितने कर्टन्स कितने पर्दे वो सब आएगा जब कम के बाद आएगा तो डबल फतहा के साथ आएगा तो कम गुरफतुन गलत है कम गुरफतन करेक्ट है the other rule we have seen is after a verb uridu is I want After a verb, when you ask what do you do is I want. What do I want? I want shaqqatan. This also will come with double fatha, or this will come with a fatha ending. Okay, those are two rules we saw for fatha. Generally, we will have a dhamma. In these cases, it will be fatha. Now let's try an annotation exercise. I will read a sentence. Let's see who can tick correctly on where that sentence is in the screen. Okay, can you guys see the screen? Okay, let me zoom in a little. This should make it better. These are sentences we've seen. These are just the first two rows. I will now read a sentence and let's see who can annotate it correctly in terms of where it is. First sentence.
Uncle, I don't have the annotation.
Yeah, I will allow it in a minute, Muniba. I'll read the question and then allow it.
Okay.
So the first question is La askunu fi hayyil jamia. La askunu fi hayyil jamia. You can annotate now. Let's see who gets it correct. Correct, Hafsa? Zahan or Fuzail? Correct. Correct, Sadia. Correct, Fuzail. Correct, Zahan. Correct, Imran Sidra. Correct, Hazik. Let me clear annotation so everyone can see.
If I'm annotating in a place, it's going above that place. How do
Yeah,
I
I think that's
control
a
it?
small error. It's okay. As long as you're roughly correct, it's okay.
Okay.
La askunu fi hayyil jamia means no, I live in the area of the university. That's what this means. Okay, so whoever marked it, you have the answer correct. Next question is Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar. Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar. Nahid Aunty, Muniba, correct. Zahan, Hifza, correct. Correct, Sadia. Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar. Adnan, what's the meaning of this sentence? I didn't see your answer, Adnan. So you tell me what's the meaning of this sentence. Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar.
I can't see anything.
You can listen to me. Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar. What's the meaning?
Where? No. Do you live in? Do you live in the area of airport?
Airport, correct. Very good, Adnan. You have it correct. Do you live in the area of the airport? Do you live? Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar, Adnan. Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar, ya Adnan. Do you live close to the airport?
Do you live in the area of a university?
Hal taskunu fi hayyil matar. I'm asking you a question. What will your answer be, Adnan?
Naam askunu fi hayyal matar.
You live near the airport?
No. La askunu fi hayyal matar.
La askunu fi hayyil matar. No, I do not live near the airport. Correct. Very good. Next question. في الشقة ستة غرف. في الشقة ستة غرف. Let's see who marks the answer correct. في الشقة ستة غرف. What's the correct answer? Muniba.
Yes.
What's the answer, Muniba? Which one is it? Where is the answer? This one? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3?
It is
or rather let's try different. Let's try Hazik or Nimra. Thalathatu is 3. This is 4. This is 5. So fi shaqqati sittatu ghurafin. So is it 3, 4, 5?
तो नहीं है ना
Saqib, sister to 6, right?
Correct. That was trick question. The answer is not here. What you see here is 3, 4, 5. I said sittatu. In the apartment are 6 rooms, and there's no 6 here. Okay, so it's not, the answer is not on the screen. So whoever marked on the screen, your answer is wrong. 6 is not here on the screen. Now let me go down. Next question. Kam sajadatan fi shaqqati. Kam sajadatan fi shaqqati. Correct, very nice. Now, next exercise, I'm going to say something in English. Okay? And you have to see the text and mark the correct answer. Okay? I'm going to read the next one in English. The first question is, I want a carpet, please. I want a carpet, please. Where's this on the screen? No, Muniba, it's not there. Correct. Mama, Nahid auntie, Hifza, Uzail Zahan, no, it's not there. I want a carpet, please. Uridu sajadatan min fadlika. Sajadatan is carpet. Nice. Next question is, how many refrigerators, kitne fridge hai in the apartment? How many refrigerators in the apartment? Very nice. Nahid auntie, Hifza, Fuzail, Zahan, Muniba. How many refrigerators is? Come, Tallajatan.
Acha, even I am facing the same problem.
It's okay, Zahan. Roughly get it correct. Okay. So now everyone's learnt numbers, right? So everyone knows numbers 1 to 10. Now next practice will be in a test situation. Okay, so I'm going to take you to one place and each one of you will get a turn. Let's see who gets the answer correct. Okay, so this is a situation where each one will get to take a turn on the quiz. So I'll take you to a website. Can you guys see the screen?
No, you stopped screen sharing.
Okay, let me share it again. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, so first question to Hifza. Your question, Hifza, is how many brothers do you have? Okay, and this is an actual test on an Arabic learning website. How many brothers do you have? Okay, come akhan. Akhan means brother. The plural of akh will be akhawat. Let me give you the plural of brother. Brother singular, which we'll use with come. Let me disable annotations. Zahan seems to be annotating, so we'll give Zahan the next turn. Akh, what we have seen is brother. Let me make this bigger. Akh, after come it will become akhar. This is brother. When it's plural, it will become akhawat. Oh, sorry, it will become ikhwatun. Will be ikhwatun. Okay, ikhwatun is brothers. Now, question to you is come akhan indaka. You've got to answer with 4. Okay, brothers. What we have seen is ikhwatun. How would you say 4 brothers? Heads up.
Arbaktu.
Yeah.
Adnan, Sadia, go on mute, please. Hifza, you can unmute. Zahan, please go on mute. Hifza, you can unmute. So, Arbaktu is wrong. It is Arba'atu. Okay, Arba'atu is correct. Arba'atu would be 4. And what would be the word after that? How would you say brothers? Arba'atu?
Ikhwatun.
Ikhwatun, very good. Why did you say Arba'atu and not Arba'u?
Masculine, feminine difference.
Correct. Akh is masculine, so you will use the feminine number. The other or the number will be feminine, so it will be Arba'atu. Very good, Hifza. Correct answer. Next, Sadia. Your question is kam riyalan fi jaybika. How many riyals do you have in your pocket? Okay. The plural of riyal, riyal is the currency of Saudi Arabia. We have Adnan, please go on mute. We have riyal. This is single. Riyalat is plural. Riyalatun would be plural. Okay. And you have to say, I have 6 riyals. How would you say 6 riyals? Riyals is riyalat. How would you say 6 riyals?
Jaybika is pocket.
Yes. No, forget pocket. You have to say 6 riyals. The question is how many riyals do you have in your pocket? Your answer has to be 6 riyals. How do you say 6 riyals? How would you say 6, Sadia? What do you say for number 6? You marked all of the questions correct when we did the quiz. How do you say 6?
Can I do it, Saki Chacha?
No,
It will be
next will be you, Zahan. Yes. Sittatu or Sittu? Sitta is 6. So Sittatu or Sittu? Sittatu, why?
because it's plural.
No, because Riyal is masculine. Okay, Riyal is masculine, so it will be Sittatu. And what would come after Sittatu?
Riyalatun.
Riyalatun. Sittatu?
Riyalatun.
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 Nice, Sadia. Next question, Zahan. Question to you. Easy question, Zahan. In the 10 kutubin were 7 majallatin. Okay, in the is I have, you've got to say, what do you say for 10? Kutub means books, wa is and, 7 is what you have to translate in Arabic. Majallat is magazines. Okay, so I have 10 books and 7 magazines. What would you put for 10 and 7? Zahan, in the
Ashra for 10.
it would be, come again.
Ashratun.
No. It's not ashratun.
इससे ऊपर तो मैंने भी सदर की हो रही
What is for 10, Zahan? How would you use 10 here? It is ashratu. Okay. In the ashratu kutubin were, what would you say for 7? Let me tell you, majalla is feminine. Okay, you have an ending ta. This is feminine. So majallat is magazines. It is feminine. So how would you put? What would you say for the 7? What is 7, Zahan? Seven is sab'a. So in the ashratu kutubin was sab'u majallat. In the ashratu kutubin were sab'u majallat. Sab'u because majalla is feminine. Kutub is masculine, so it will be ashratu and sab'u. The sab'u is without the ta and the ashratu is with the ta. Now, next question. Hazik. Atihi or li atihi as-sayyarati 4 abwabin. Bab is door. Abwab is doors. It is masculine. How would you say 4 doors?
Arbatu.
It is not arbaqtu. It is arba'atu.
Arbatu.
Arba'atu abwabin. Correct. Very good. Next one also to you, Hazik. Fil mustashfa. Mustashfa is hospital. In the hospital are 9 talibat. Okay. Talibat is plural of taliba. It is the plural of female student. Okay. Fil mustashfa, in the hospital are 9 talibat, 9 female students were, and 6 mumarridat. Mumarridat means nurse. Okay. This is feminine. Talibat is feminine. Mumarridat is nurses. That is also feminine. How would you say 9 female students, Hazik?
Tisa.
Tis'a talibat, correct. And how would you say 6 female nurses?
Sitta.
Sitta mumarridat. Very good, Hazik. Well done. Next question. Muniba, question to you. You've also done numbers. So let's see if you can answer this correctly. Li is I have 4 ikhwatin. Ikhwa is what we have seen. So ikhwa is brothers. 3 akhawat. Akhawat is sisters. So ukht is sister. Plural of ukht is akhawat. Akh is brother. Plural of akh is ikhwa. So li 4 ikhwa, 4 brothers. How would you say 4 brothers?
Arbatu sitar.
Arba'atu ikhwatin, correct. Arba'atu 4 would be feminine because ikhwa is masculine. So arba'atu ikhwatin were 3 akhawat, 3 sisters. How would you say 3 sisters?
Salasatu li. Akhwatin.
Akhawatin.
Salasatu akhwatin.
Will it be thalathatu or thalathu?
Salasatu.
Akhawat, is it masculine or feminine?
Akhwat is masculine, so it will be as
Akhawat is sisters.
akhwatin.
So Ukht is sister and akhawat is sisters. Okay, sisters, is it going to be masculine or feminine, Muniba?
Feminine.
Feminine. So when you have akhawat, you have sisters, and the number you need to use is 3. Would you say tala 2, or would you say tala 2? What would you say?
Salatatu.
By tala 2?
Because we are saying for a feminine.
Yes. So in this, which is feminine? Talatu or talatatu?
Salatu.
Talatu is masculine. There's no ta marbuta. There's no ending ta. This ending ta would make it feminine. So which is feminine, Muniba? Talatu or talatatu?
Salasatu.
Talatatu is feminine. Over here, with sisters, should you use masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
No. Akhawat is sisters. It is feminine. You have to use masculine. Which is the masculine number?
Salatu.
Talatu. Correct. So what would you say for 3 sisters?
Salatu. Akhwat.
Talatu akhawat. Very good. Now, last question. Or we'll do.
Sakhabaya, who's Konda?
Who is?
Konda.
I have no idea. Is it you, Adnan?
No, my name is there. You can check. Someone is Konda.
I have no idea. Okay. Next question is to you, Adnan. Let's do this one. 9 sa'at. Sa'a means hour. Okay. Sa'at means hours. You see an ending ta. So is this going to be, what would you say for 9 hours? 9 hours. Sa'at is hours. How would you say 9 hours, Adnan?
What was the question?
9 hours. This
9
word. How would you say 9 hours? What do you say for 9, Adnan? What is 9, Adnan? You forgot your numbers, Adnan. This is 9. Will it be this or tisatu?
Okay.
This or tisatu would come with saat. What would you choose?
Okay.
What's the answer, Adnan? This or tisatu?
Tisu.
Right?
So it's 9.
Tisatu is also 9.
So it's 9 hours. I guess.
Yes, ours is feminine. Okay, you have an ending ta. It is feminine. The ta is a clue that it is plural feminine. So it is going to be tisu saat. Nice. Now let's do an annotation exercise.
And Sakhabaya,
Yes, Adnan.
that whoever Konda it is, he's messaging me. Can you tell me whose video was on? And then they're like, I want a holiday because of Corona spreading in my area, so I request you to tell me whose video is on. And then after that, he's messaged, I would be absent because it have to attend my uncle's wedding, so I please request you
Okay,
to
let me
tell
remove
me whose
Conda.
video is on. I don't know
Okay, let me.
whose video is on, whose video is on.
I fear it is Zahan because I don't see Zahan in the list. So it has to be Zahan, but I've removed.
And he's
Conda.
telling me from that time I'm ill, tell me whose video is on because of
Okay,
corona spreading.
okay, I've
and all.
removed Conda. Okay, so I think it's Zahan. I think it was Zahan playing a prank on you, Adnan. So Conda is out. So let's continue with the lesson. Okay, next is an annotation exercise. I'm going to read something. Let's see who gets the answer correct in the fastest time. Let's see who's going to be first, second, third. The first question is الثلاجة في المطبخ. الثلاجة في المطبخ. That's the answer. Hifza, Muniba, no. No, Muniba. No, you're correct, Hifza. No, you're correct, Muniba. Correct, Fuzail. Correct, Hazik. Correct, Anil Aunty. Correct, Fuzail. Correct, Nahid Aunty. Nice. Who can tell me what's the meaning of Athalajatu fil khurfati? Muniba, what is Athalajatu fil khurfati?
Fridge.
The fridge is in the matbakh. What is matbakh?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Very good, Muniba. Correct answer. Second question. Askunu fi shaqqatin. Askunu fi shaqqatin. That is bait, Muniba. That is house. Okay, no clear answer, but it has likely should be wow because everything else is too specific. Let's do another one. Askunu fi baitin. Askunu fi baitin. Correct. Here, Muniba, Mama, Hifza, Fuzail, Hazik, Nahid Aunty, correct. Askunu fi baitin would be the house because bait means house. Next question. Asariru fi ghurfatin naumi. Asariru fi ghurfatin naumi. Correct, Mama, Anil Aunty, Muniba, Hifza, correct. Correct, Hazik. Very good. As-sariru fi ghurfatin naumi. The bed is in the bedroom. It's the picture number Alif or Hamza. Last question. As-sakhanu fil hammami. As-sakhanu fil hammami. Let me clear annotations. Let's try again. Fuzail, Anil Aunty, Muniba, Nahid Aunty, Mama, Hazik, Hifza, correct. It's the one on top. It is Ba. Let's do the next exercise. The next exercise. Let's start with 2. 2, we have Al-Yamin, Al-Yasar. You need to take one of these two answers. 2 would be Askunu fi shaqqatin. Askunu fi shaqqatin. Correct, Anil Aunty. Correct, Mama. Correct, Nahid Aunty. Correct, Muniba. Correct, Fuzail, Hifza, Hazik. Correct, Muniba. Do we have Zahan? I don't see Zahan's answers.
I think that was only Konda.
Yes, you're correct, Adnan.
Zahan.
So you removed Zahan from the class.
He's not there.
Correct. So that was Zahan. Okay. Third question. أريد مشاهدة الأثاثي. أريد مشاهدة الأثاثي. This one. This is third at the bottom of the screen. So we are here. Bottom right corner of the screen. उसे वो वाला नहीं. उरीदु मुशाहदतल अथाती हम ये वाला 3 नंबर पे है. करेक्ट. उरीदु मुशाहदतल अथाती is I want to see the furniture. मुझे furniture देखना है, which is al yamin. It is the one on the right because left is TV. TV is tilfaz. We are not saying tilfaz or TV. We are saying furniture, which is the answer on the right. Nice. Now, let's come to homework for the next class. This is the homework for the next class. It's a homework that we will do in pairs. Sorry, it's a homework that we can do individual. Okay. So there's one person who's going to read all of this. You can do it individual. So it is Hati Jumulan Kamafil Mithal. Make sentences like the example. And this is very easy homework. The homework is Ad-Dawrul Khamis, the 5th floor, and Khamsu Ghurafin, 5 rooms. The 5th floor, 5 rooms. How do you make sentences? The first sentence is Askunu fi hayal jamia. This is going to be the same. Askunu fi shaqatin jamilatin. This is also same. Ashaqatu fi dawril khamis. Dawril khamis. This is going to change. Let me mark this. Ashaqatu fi dawril khamis. Dawril khamis. And we see Dawril Khamis. And pay attention to the answers. So you've got to see it the correct way. Ashaqatu fi Dawril Khamis. The apartment is in the 5th floor. Ad-Dawr is floor. Al-Khamis is 5th. The apartment is in the 5th floor. Ashaqatu fi Dawril Khamis. And that's the first word. The last sentence is fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Khamsu ghurafin. You only have the number. You have to say the number in Arabic. Fi shaqqati, in the apartment are 5 rooms. Khamsu ghurafin. Fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Let me change the color of this one. Let me make it orange. Fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Okay. So the words are Ad-Dawril Khamis and Khamsu Ghurafin. This is how you will use it in the sentence. You have question number 1, which is here, which is Ad-Dawrir Rabi' and Arba'u Ghurafin. You have Ad-Dawrir Thalith and Talathu Ghurafin. You have Ad-Dawrir Sadis and Sittu Ghurafin. And we have Ad-Dawr Sabi' and Sab'u Ghurafin. This is number 4. This is 4. This would be 3. This would be 2. This would be 7. And totally we have 4 cases where you need to make 4 sentences. First 2 are same. You will always say Askunu fi hayil jamia, Askunu fi shaqqatin jamilatin. The 3rd and 4th sentences are where you will change. This is the homework. Hazik, can you repeat what is the homework? Yes, who has a question?
6, I think, Sahib, not 2.
Oh, sorry, this is 6. Correct. This would be 6. Let me mark this. So it's not 2, this is 6. 2 would be written like this. 6 is written like this. So this is 6. Correct. So it is Dawr Sadis and Sittu Ghurafin. So it's not 2, it is 6. Hazik, can you repeat what's the homework and how will we do the homework?
Saqib, the first two sentences will be same, and the last two sentences will be changing according to the
Correct.
questions.
Last two will change according to the question. You have 4 questions, and you have to send the recordings by Friday week after next. So the homeworks will be due on the 14th. So you have 2 weeks to do the homework. When is the next class, Hazik?
On 15.
On 15th, inshallah. So next week, 8th and 9th will be Eid. So we will celebrate Eid. No class next week. The next class will be on 15th August. Will be on Independence Day, inshallah. That is when we will meet.
First is Eid.
First and second is Eid, yeah?
Oops, sorry. I got it wrong. First and second is Eid. We will meet on 7th, inshallah. Or 8th, inshallah. 8th is when we meet. First and second is the holiday. So it's the week before Independence Day, okay? So Independence Day, we'll do a special Independence Day quiz. First and second holiday. We meet next class on 8th. And the homeworks are due on 7th. Okay, clear? Hifza, when are the homeworks due and when is the next class?
Next class we have on 8th. Homework due till 7.
Homework due on 7th, correct. Yes, Adnan.
Okay, I'll just...
You have a question, Adnan?
No.
Okay, awesome. On that note, we will close. Anyone who has a question, stay back. I will stay back 5 minutes after the class for anyone who has questions. On that note, we will close the formal class. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Homeworks due on 7th and next class on 8th of August, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum
Walaikum assalam. Eid Mubarak to everybody in advance.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak to everyone in advance.
Yes, same to you all.
Same to all of you all.
Anyone with a question, you can stay back. I'll be waiting 5 minutes to take any questions. Yes, Munib.
In the homework, I did not understand the line.
1 minute. Which line, Muniba?
The two that will be the same and the two that we'll have to do from the
Okay, let me help you. So, the first sentence is Askunu fi Hayal Jamia. I live in the area of the university. Askunu fi Shaqatin Jamilatin. I live in a beautiful apartment. So, you'll always say, I live in the area of the university. I live in a beautiful apartment. Where your sentence will change depending on the words here is Ashaqatu fi Dawril Khamis. The apartment is in the 5th floor. Okay, that's because we have a Dawril Khamis, and even if you see the picture, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Ashaqatu fi Dawril Khamis. So you have to use a Dawril Khamis in the sentence. That's highlighted green. Ashaqatu fi Dawril Khamis. The last line is fi Shaqati Khamsu Ghurafin. In the apartment are 5 rooms, and Khamsu Ghurafin is highlighted orange.
Okay, so the homework is that we have to do these 4 lines.
You have to do these 4 lines for 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 sentences, these 4 cases. For example, this one is Ad-Dawrir Rabi. Okay, the 4th floor, and Arba'u Ghurafin, 4 rooms. How would you use this in a similar sentence? How would you use this in a sentence? Like we have sentences here. So that is question to you, Muniba.
Yeah.